Why should we say sorry? Dr. K explains, moral story for children. Good day, little explorers. Have you ever made a mistake, perhaps hurt someone's feelings or broken something by accident, and didn't quite know what to do? Well, today we're talking about something very important. A small word with a big impact. Sorry. A schoolyard mistake. This is Oliver. He's in year 4. He was playing football during lunch break with his classmates. He gave the ball a mighty kick, and oh no. Thud! It hit his friend Daniel right on the nose. Daniel looked shocked and walked away without a word. Oliver stood there, unsure, and then just picked up the ball and kept playing. Oliver didn't mean to hurt anyone, but he made a mistake. What he didn't do was say sorry. Later that day, Daniel didn't sit next to Oliver in class. He didn't join him at lunch. He didn't even pass the ball back during the next game. Dr. K. You see, when someone's feelings are hurt, even by accident, not apologizing can make things worse. It creates distance between people. Let's take a closer look. Sorry is more than just a word. It means, I recognize what I did. I care about your feelings. I want to make things better. Saying sorry shows bravery, kindness, and responsibility all at once. The next morning, Oliver thinks about it. He finds Daniel near the coat pegs before class. Oliver. Daniel, I'm really sorry for hitting you with the ball. I didn't mean to, and I should have said so yesterday. Daniel, smiling slightly. That's all right. I know it was an accident. Thanks for saying sorry. They walk into class together again, like old times. Sometimes, all it takes to mend a friendship is a genuine sorry. Dr. K's thoughts. So, next time you hurt someone, remember, saying sorry doesn't make you weak. It shows you care. It shows you're growing. And that's what real strength looks like. Until next time, this is Drive K, reminding you. Big hearts aren't afraid to say sorry.